One of the most fascinating characteristics of rain lilies is their ability to burst into bloom soon after a rainfall, hence their name. Their attractive flowers come in a variety of colors, including shades of white, pink, yellow, and lavender. Their blooms are typically trumpet-shaped and stand atop slender, leafless stem. Despite their small size, rain lily flowers create a visual striking display when they appear in masses. Rain lilies are relatively easy to grow and maintain. They prefer well-drained soil and can thrive in both full sun and partial shade, making them versatile for different garden settings. These plants are also quite hardy and can tolerate a range of soil conditions including sandy or clay soils. Watch this video. If you like this video, please share it, and want to get more videos, please subscribe to my channel.